Wait. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hello. Hi, guys. Part two. Shut up. Oh my gosh. Hi, guys. Right, cannot. Shut the hell up.
Hakan, tell Sinan, be quiet. We're trying to record.
Yeah. Oh my god, the little waste of storage.
Okay, let's just start the goddamn video.
Hey guys. Sinan's just mimicking.
Can we just start now?
Okay, we're gonna start.
That's what you just said.
3, 2, 1. Hi guys, it's now part 2 and we're at the airport.
Alright.
I know, let's check our tickets. Mine's F3.
Oh my. F3? Hakan, we're not in a team anymore. Go back to lobby, Hakan.
Oh,
Hakan,
right.
go back to lobby.
Naimon.
Yeah.
Naimon, how about not? Because what if we accidentally carried each other?
Who cares? Hakan, we actually need that to save.
I think it's not that bad.
Hakan, but we needed to save each other.
Yeah. Now let's teleport to the airport.
Okay. Oh my God, I'm inviting no one. Why does it says if I wanna? Why does it ask me if I wanna invite someone? Hell no.
And I'm on.
Which number did you get? E1. Me too.
Matter of fact, my gate number's E1. Mine is E1 though.
Me too. Mine is also E1, and I don't know where it is. No. Why am I trying to go to the boys' bathroom, bro? How come we have to go back? We have to find the E section. This is the D section.
Oh yeah.
Maybe in this direction? We just went to the D direction, so somewhere is E.
Then why this hallway so long? That looks boring.
It should be boring. Is this the E section? Bruh, this is the C section.
Oh, maybe it goes like per letter on the left. A, B, C, D, E, like an alphabet.
Yeah, then maybe you're right. Let's go west. Because of the D section was north, then we have to go, I don't know. Okay,
yeah, I think we need to.
No, okay, then
we need to go back and go to the right.
I know. No, this one was like the C section. This should be the E section.
Yeah, like an alphabetical order.
Okay, let's see if I was right. Was I right? I'm right. I did it. I knew it. I'm smart. And we're smart. Let's go.
Yeah, I knew it. I knew it goes to an alphabetical order.
And I knew the directions. I already knew we were supposed to go like, I don't know, something like east.
Bro, I knew it would go to alphabetical order.
And how can I knew the directions already?
Alright, let's not keep saying this. Diamond, I think we need to unlock shapes.
What I found Why do I find these weird shapes? I found like.
Oh, Diamond, I think now I know why. Follow me.
Hakan, why do I keep finding a circle? A
It's
rectangle.
because of this one.
Oh. Oh, I get it. Easy peasy. The first one is like the rectangle. The fourth one is a circle.
I think
Oh, the third one is the weird line. Ow.
Oh yeah, the first one's the square.
Hakan already knew that. And the third one is like the weird line.
Yeah. You mean wiggly line?
Hakan. Yup, I knew it. Hakan, that's not a wiggly line. That is just a line, normal.
But like wobbly wiggly, wobbly wiggly, wobbly.
Hakan, that's
wiggly.
wrong, Hakan. Then it's supposed to be Hakan, did you forget about gravity?
Hello?
What do you mean? Yeah.
What question you asked again?
I just said, did you forget about gravity? If it's wiggly, then it should the wiggle line should go down and then look like a little hut. Yes, you did. I know everything. You just said yeah. Huh? I don't understand you. And Hakan. Oh, Hakan, I'm just gonna use this key. What does this key do, Hakan? Stop.
I know. Simon, what if you grab me and then you climb the stairs and then you'll throw me.
Alright. Wait, great idea. It doesn't work, Hakan. I'm trying to climb it, but it just.
Wait, but how about me?
Oh wait, Hakan! Look.
Might be good.
Wait.
I want the key right. What?
Where's the key? With the key, you can search item. Nope. No. I found a cool crowbar. Bro.
Maybe that could be useful.
Hakan, bro. Oh my god. You're making the crowbar gun. Go away, Hakan. Let me break this open. Go away. Be careful.
Yeah, wait, is it wooden? That's the wait. Hey. We're leaving here.
Hakan, bye-bye. Good night, Hakan.
I'm going.
What is this, Hakan? Are you seeing this right now?
It was level 36.1. Now we reached stage crash.
Ow! This hurts, Hakan. What is that, Hakan?
You googly monster. When we got that.
Hakan, we have to kill him together. Oh yeah. Stop screaming.
That's
Yo, Hakan is chasing you now.
I know.
Stop it. Oh no.
I know gravity.
You don't know gravity. Booyah! Go away, Diddy.
levers. How about this one?
I just pulled
No!
a. Hakan, nothing happened. My game just froze.
What just happened?
Why did I froze? What is happening to my game, Hakan? Are you also getting glitched?
No.
Why can I not move? Why do you see multiple of you?
Oh my god, we are on fire!
Hakan, I can't move. Something is wrong.
Bro, we got hit by a piano.
What is this? Wait, Hakan! Look, Hakan, I found the exit. No, Hakan, you did not. I pulled the lever.
Oh, hey there. They must have sent you from Base Zero to help us. We have been doing some research on the entities that roam out there. It turns out they might contain the key to immunity. One sip of an elixir from it can cure any disease and make you live forever. I need you to collect each vial and place them into the machine. Good luck.
Well, fine.
Why us?
It's not my fault if he wakes up.
For real. If he wakes up, then you take care of him, not me.
Yeah. Then because your responsibility, we're trying to escape here.
For real.
Oh my god, bro. I don't trust those guys. But we have to do it. Dude, Shrek will just wake up.
Bro, stop trying to get on me.
I try not to. What those lap? Oh.
Open the key. Bro,
Bro, why do I keep getting carried when I'm near you?
yeah, because you're clicking the button.
I'm trying not to.
Okay. Did you even get the key? Bro, a key was here, Hakan.
I didn't even see the key.
Great job.
Now give me that.
What an interesting color.
Give me
Great
that.
job. Now Shrek will wake up and it's not my fault.
Hey, give that back.
What is not gonna wake up Shrek?
What, Hakan?
Yes, it's working.
Hakan, he stole our potion. Okay, Hakan, what is that? Ooh.
That... No! Why is he fast?
Hakan! Bro, why did you grab me? Bro, stop grabbing me. What is this? What is that? Hakan! Oh my god! Stop going near me! You're killing me, man. I'm an ASCII dude.
Why did Shrek gang up on you?
I don't know.